Tony with Tier 1 Auto Haas. Welcome back to the channel. We just finished up an insane project on this Widebody Urus. So this Urus is a fresh build. It just came to us from West Coast Customs. As many of you know, West Coast Customs has been around for a long time, specializing in a lot of custom builds. So they were very fitting to do this project for our customer. When it was done over there, the car came to us so we can get the paint looking flawless and protected. That being said, we did full body paint protection film on the entire vehicle. So we had to do a bit of a hybrid cut on most of this car because a lot of these parts are aftermarket and a lot of the factory parts are covered by the aftermarket parts. So we had to get creative. A lot of these aftermarket parts had to be hand cut, which takes a very skilled technician to do so. A lot of people can only do what we call plotter cut patterns in the industry. This customer is very, very detailed when it comes to anything automotive, especially with paint protection film. He has a lot of cars and a lot of cars that have had paint protection film. So we knew we were the right place to come to. When it comes to our installs, we wrap all of our edges to ensure longevity, a cleaner install, and a seamless look. This brand new Urus S features a 1016 Industries widebody kit, as well as a brand new set of HREs, and this car looks incredible. November and December is jam-packed with a ton of crazy projects, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the projects that are upcoming.